Good morning, and good afternoon to every lovely people who's watching the video. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Cash App payment failed. So what this means is you guys are going to know what this actually means by the end of this video. So you got to watch this video until the end to understand what this problem is. Because if I explain it right now, in a short way, you guys will just be confused, right? So just stay with us until the end. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple, for future videos just like this. Let's jump into the video without any further ado. The first days you got to check in for Cash App is up to date. Sometimes you just don't update your Cash App for a long period of time. And a bug is caused, which just doesn't allow you to pay like your manager or friend or anybody, and it says payment failed. And even if a Cash App is up to date, then it might be a slow internet connection, which is causing this problem. So make sure to check your internet connection if there is no problem with your internet connection. Then the other reason could be if the cash tag you typed over there is incorrect. So let's say you type the name or the cash tag of the person incorrectly, and the account under that cash tag or that name doesn't exist, then it's going to say payment failed because there is no account to send the money to, and it's going to say payment failed. So make sure to check the cash stack. And the other thing is, if you're trying to transfer a large sum of money like $50,000, $80,000, $90,000, let's say above $50,000, then it's not going to work. Cash out is used for transferring money, but you can transfer large sums of money in cash out due to some legal reason. Alright, so you can, if you're trying to transfer large sums of money, it's gonna say payment failed. And the other reason could be if Cash App servers offline. So Cash App sometimes goes under maintenance. So when you're trying to send your money under maintenance time, it's gonna say payment failed. The only way to fix this problem is to wait until their maintenance is over. And the other thing is, if you're trying to send money to a Cash App account, which is banned or is restricted, so let's say one of my friends did something wrong and his Cash App account was restricted for some days or suspended for some days. If you try to send money to him, or if I try to send money to him, when his account is suspended, then it's gonna say payment failed. So that could also be the reason, alright. So these are the reason on why it's going to say cash and failed, and how we guys can fix it as well. So if you guys found the video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.